Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Make sure the new case has enough battery, around 10% or more, since the case supplies the initial charge. Place the AirPods into the case with the left in the left slot and the right in the right slot so contacts align. Once done, keep your phone or device Bluetooth enabled and within 3 meters to maintain a stable connection. You're initiating pairing immediately, don't walk away, and make sure any old case or nearby AirPods are powered off to avoid interference. You now reset the pairing inside the case by opening the lid and pressing the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes white. This clears previous associations and prepares the case to announce itself. Next, on your device, go to Bluetooth settings, select the AirPods entry that appears, and tap Connect or Pair. Make sure to watch the case LED and the device prompts because firmware and owner settings may sync automatically. If a firmware update is required, allow it to complete before removing the AirPods. You finish by confirming both AirPods display as connected and by playing audio to check left and right channels. If one AirPod won't appear or audio is missing, reseat that bud, ensure the case has charge by leaving it on the charger for 10 to 20 minutes, then try pairing again. If problems persist, perform another reset. Hold the case button until the LED shows amber then white, and repeat the pairing flow. This reset often resolves stubborn connection or firmware hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.